Well, springtime is critical to farmers. As part of our spring weather week continues, 7 News meteorologist Dan Bickford looks at how the changing weather can actually help sustainable fruit farming.
I've been involved in farming since I can remember.
Walker Miller is the founder of the Happy Berry in 6 Mile, South Carolina, a culmination of a lifelong interest in farming and blueberries. The farm started in 1979 while Walker was a Clemson professor and county extension specialist. The location is a result of temperature data from his research.
This spot right here, one of those nights, because we did multiple nights a year, was 9 degrees warmer than a quarter mile up the road.
Not all nights had such a large difference, but a milder location has an advantage this time of year. One big concern as we go through spring is that potential for a crop-damaging late season frost or freeze.
The seeds are all alive in the center of it. And that's why I'm saying, yes, 100% of a crop. Not gonna miss a berry. If it had been damaged by frost, those seeds would all be brown.
There's no controlling the timing of frost, but effort is made to lessen the impact. Planting hardier varieties in lower wind-sheltered areas of the property is one hedge against cold overnight temperatures. Pine trees also stand guard against frost.
The plants on this side of the tree are exposed to that north sky where the heat radiates out at night, and there'll be more damage there than these plants that are on the south side. When the heat comes out of here, it hits these trees and bounces back.
There's also a wind machine. Its one blade keeps air flowing, inhibiting frost development by not allowing cold, dense air to sink to berry level. Not all cold is bad. Many berry varieties need over 1,000 hours of chill, defined as temperatures below 45 degrees each winter. A trend toward milder winters means these plants only get 2/3 of the chill they need to ensure their good health.
Diversity is the name of the game, all right? And the driver in the game is climate change.
Figs, persimmons, mulberries, chestnut trees, and olive trees have been planted to make the farm less reliant on the need for more consistent cold. For now, there's an extended period of fruit that will come to harvest.
We have fruit from essentially the 1st of June to the end of November. Persimmons are the last thing we harvest. And first thing we harvest is blackberries.
It's a lot of work.
What you see planted over there are grapes, blackberries, the seedless muscadines.
With a sweet payoff.
Being part of the community is rewarding. Knowing all these people, not that I remember all their names, but usually I do the faces. Hi, good to see you again.
From 6 Mile, meteorologist Dan Bickford, 7 News.
All right, we hope you've enjoyed our spring weather week. If you missed any stories, you can check them out at WSPA.com.